Hey y'all, call me Mrs. Handy Lady today. Hey sis gang, welcome back to Sisters Set. Before I continue, pumpkins, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment or 2 or 3 down below. Please don't be shy. Follow us on Instagram at Sisters Set right now. Go do it now. Mrs. Handy Lady in the house. Mrs. Handy Lady in the house. Yes, Sarah, AKA Mrs. Handy Lady. So listen guys, today I've decided to go ahead and build this pantry wall mount or door mount because it's gonna go on my door. No, I recently moved into an apartment and I love it, everything about it, but trying to keep everything organized and in place can be a little difficult. I have a lot of stuff, just not a lot of room. So I've been watching different channels, different videos on YouTube to help me get organized with my life in my apartment, more so my apartment. So I ordered a pantry mount, wall mount or door mount so that I can get that part together. Because Lord knows it needs some help. So Mrs. Handy Lady today is going to be putting it together and hanging it up. So typically my boyfriend is here to help me, but I let him have the day off. No work for him today. So it's just me. So it's just gonna be you and me. And let me tell you, this is about to be an all day thing because I'm not that handy at all. So let's get to it. Let's get this party started. Let me show you what I got. I had been searching for a while. The one that I originally wanted when I went to go buy it was out of stock and I couldn't wait. So this was the next best thing, similar to it, but it is going into my pantry. Put me a little light in here because there isn't one. So all this is coming out. I bought this shelf when we first moved in and I intend on getting more seasonings and I feel like this is taking up entirely too much space. So that led me to get the pantry shelf or door hanger. And I just recently got these. Oh, I just love them. And I'm buying some more. But all of this, I'm gonna be taking it all out and reorganizing my pantry. And the door hanger is going right smack there. I just cannot wait, guys. Super excited. Let's go ahead and get this done. I'm gonna have to speed this up a little bit for you guys, so be patient with me, okay? This is gonna take me some time, but it's going to get done today.
Something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plans. You say pace yourself, slow it down. I don't want to waste my day. No one else. I love how it feels. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment, we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. In time. Something about the way you talk with your hands. my name, well, nobody's there. No, no. You say it's alright, take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. Say no race. Killing time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're in time. Over wine, killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're in time. Oh, oh.
Well, pumpkins, I'm gonna have to return this because it's too wide. I don't really want to, but I'm probably gonna be here for a year, so ain't no point in me holding on to this. So I'm gonna have to send it back, unfortunately, because it's too wide and all the baskets. I mean, this is perfect. Y'all just don't understand. But look, I can't close it. Like, just. Y'all just don't understand how long. I was so excited. So, babes, you're gonna have to wait until I get the next one, okay? Because I had to return this. I'm so sorry. But I'll be back with the right one next time. Wait for part 2. Just wait, okay? Okay, so unfortunately, it did not fit my regular pantry door. It's too thin, unfortunately, but it's okay. I went online and I looked for some more, but they're all so wide, bigger than my pantry door. So I said, you know what, bump it, Sarah, keep it. You know, when you get your house, yes, I said, I'm speaking it into existence. It's happening soon, I'm just saying. I'll already have it, so I won't have to worry about that. So I did go ahead and decide to put it on my laundry room door. Let's look. You see? So this is where I'm gonna hang it. My fiance is probably gonna say something when he gets home, but you know what? That's okay. If that happens, then I'll just put it on the back of the door and we'll be good to go. But I'll still have room in my pantry. So right now I'm about to hook the racks up, hang the racks up now. I don't have to screw it, which is why I liked it, because I don't have to screw anything into the door. I don't want to screw any holes in this door. When I get my house, it might be a different story. I may not even put it on the door. I may put that thing, bad boy, on the wall, right? Just saying. So right now it's going on the laundry room door for right now.
Ryan Little. つ。
Alright guys, so I have put everything back in my pantry. So I got everything off the floor here. I had some bags of bags. I had water bottle case with like 4 water bottles in it, and then I had the soda on the floor. So I cleared everything out, swept the floor, mopped the floor, and took everything out as you saw, put everything back. So there's a lot of space in here, which means I can go and buy some more stuff to put in my pantry, like line it up the way I like it. But I did it with what I have. I am pleased with how it looks. I had to go buy some more of these. I really like these. Got these from the dollar store, but they're quite convenient. I need to get some more because this is full and I need to take these things out, put them in their own little tray. But so worth it. So worth the $1. So yeah, I put the paper towels up there and put the towels in the scale, and there are my bags for when I go to Aldi's, because that's where I like to shop, grocery shopping for my seasonings for the most part, and fruits. So yeah, that is that. So this is done, as you guys saw. It does come with another rack or another part to it, that I can add, and I will add eventually, because like I said, I'm buying some more of these and I'm going to stack it up with and fill it up with seasonings. That's all this is for, all of my seasonings. And I intend on getting way more than this, and that's why I had to get this. But I'm looking at this and I feel like I'm gonna run out of room, so I'm gonna have to find me some big ones like this for my basic, like this one right here, for my basic seasonings that I use with everything that I eat, all my meat that I season. You know, I tried to buy seasonings that are salt free, so I use a whole lot of seasonings, and that's why it looks like this. Got my peppers up there, my spices, got my salt up there, curry, my curry powder right there, yes, and the peppers right there, that's my spicy seasonings right there, and the salt. And then I have all my garlics and my dashes, salt-free seasonings right here, and my leaves, oh, this brown, and my leaves, cereal, and that's pancake. So I got cereal, pancakes, some grits, because that's what Babe likes. Got my pastas in here. This is gonna get filled up once I buy some stuff. I don't know with what yet, but it will get filled up. Then I use the heck out of garlic, okay? So I got this here, and I got that. So that's gonna go in its own container once I get one. And then this is for my flour, but that is so convenient, you guys. If you haven't invested in anything like this, please do. Please do. Walmart, doggone Target, doggone Amazon, you know, invest in one of these. Target, doggone Walmart, doggone Amazon. I'm just saying, pumpkins, like, it is so worth it, and I'm happy with the results of, oh, I'm tired, and I've been drinking, and as you can see, I was dancing too. But yeah, so this is the end of my vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Quarantine has really made me just stand around, look around, and find stuff for me to get into. So, you know, this was fun. I have more little other organizational ventures that I'm gonna partake in at my apartment that I'll keep you guys posted on, and definitely some recipes that I am going to be trying out as well. So you guys stay tuned. Please, 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 please. I said it in the beginning, but I'm gonna say it again. Make sure you follow, you like, you subscribe, you know, spread the word, share. Please, please, please comment way down below. We definitely respond to comments. We like comments. We like feedback. We love spending time with our family. Unfortunately, quarantine hasn't, or Corona hasn't allowed that to happen. Often next week is my birthday, babe. So you guys best to believe I'm gonna have some juice. But yeah, y'all be ready for the tea, okay? Because it's coming. But pumpkins, you guys enjoy the rest of your days. I'm going to sit down with my glass of wine and find a movie to watch on Netflix. But until next time, pumpkins, bye.